I was I've been in this grass business for maybe more than 35 years with mowers, rakes, tedders, forage harvesters, round balers. Grass has been what I know from the middle of the 1980s until present, and it has been something which is in my blood, in my head, and I understand the marketplace. I've had a lot of contact with customers and dealers alike, so I bring a lot of experience, and I enjoy this business, and it's one I know very, very well. Yeah, today I'm now with a SIP company from Slovenia. I joined the company 1 year ago. We had some big ambitions to open up some new connections into the UK market. As of today, we've met all those expectations. It's been a very challenging year. There's a lot more business that we can do. We have to grow at a pace which we can control and make sure the customers are satisfied with the machines we're delivering. I'm assisting the dealers to help build the machines, install the machines so that the machines are working properly for the end users. This is most important because the end user satisfied is our next salesman. And we are now a brand which is coming back into the marketplace. So whatever we're selling, we must be stealing some business from some competitors somewhere. Because we are here today and we weren't yesterday. For the future, I see some extremely positive signs for the SIP program. I think there is a lot more dealers that will come to see and understand that SIP is something serious. The future is challenging for sure, but very, very exciting, and I think for us in the next 2-3 years it's all positive growth. Then comes the hard part when we've had to make the growth is maintaining it. But in the next 2-3 years we're talking about growth, and we will achieve that. So it's looking good.